Right now, Bitcoin is at very weird point. Like one move from here, and people either make lot of money or they get completely trapped. Some people are saying 100k is coming, and some are quietly exiting. They're removing their capital. So, what's actually going on? See, this exact situation has happened before. And if you understand this, you will stop guessing and start thinking differently. Let's be honest, when Bitcoin moves too fast, it doesn't continue forever. It pulls back, and sometimes it pulls back hard. But why? Because big players comes in, they don't buy at the top, they sell there. And retail traders, they enter late. And that happened mostly because of FOMO, right? So just think about it. If everyone is already buying, who is left to push the price even higher? But at the same time, we also can't ignore this. Bitcoin today is very different. Earlier, it was mostly retail, but now you have the institutions, funds, and some serious money. When big money enters, market doesn't move slowly. It moves aggressively. And one more thing, Bitcoin supply is fixed. That's 21 million. So yeah, the upside move is also real. But here's where most people mess up. They try to predict, is it up or down? But smart traders, they don't do that. They wait, they observe, and they follow the money. Because Bitcoin moves based on liquidity, not on the opinion. So instead of asking, will it go up or down, just ask where the traders are trapped. So, what should you actually do? If you are new, don't try to be smart. Just focus on not losing the capital. If you trade, wait for the confirmation, don't chase it. But if you invest, think of long term, not of emotion. Because at the end of the day, the market doesn't reward the excitements, it rewards the patience. And most people, they don't have it. So if you want to actually understand this game, stay around because we are just getting started.